Alright, we are starting Mirror's Edge by Red Legacy 69, dog. 69, 69, 69. Alright, I beat the whole game, so might as well have a new game. We shall do this bad boy on normal.
Once the city used to pulse with energy, dirty and dangerous, but alive and wonderful.
Yep.
Now, it's something else.
Boston.
The changes came slowly at first. Most didn't realize, or didn't care, and accepted them. They chose a comfortable life.
Fuck.
Some didn't. And those who refused to conform were pushed to the sidelines, criminalized. They became our clients. We call ourselves runners. We exist on the edge, between the gloss and the reality. The mirror's edge. We keep out of trouble, out of sight, and the cops don't bother us. Runners see the city in a different way. We see the flow. Rooftops become pathways and conduits, possibilities, and routes of escape. The flow is what keeps us running, keeps us alive.
Keeps us alive.
Training time, Faith. Yeah, I know you hate it, but that fall took you out of commission for a while. Now you're back, you gotta keep sharp, especially in this city. Check out these new training grounds, pretty slick, huh? So let's not run around duty, so get to her and just go with the flow, okay?
Said duty. LB to jump, LT to get down, suck some penis. LB. Did I just restart the alarm? I guess this thing. Jump on the red shit. Look at it. If it's high, you'll wonder.
There she is. Get after her.
Yeah, you're beautiful too.
Hi, Faith. Welcome back. Didn't think we'd be seeing you so soon.
Holy shit. I didn't think a blonde could do that. No offense. I don't think any girl would actually do that, actually. For that. Well, kick a door open. That, I don't know. Ballet. Oh, jump up. Fuck. Yeah, wait, why are you running? Oh, you dirty bastard. You fucking monkey. Wow. Oh. Welcome to Jack in the Box, man. Take your order. Is this Jack in the Box? Oh! That looked like it hurt. Get up this fucking wall. I have no idea how long you've been playing this. Damn it. Paparazzi, get on this thing. Don't push me, cause I get close to the edge. Literally, I'm trying not to fall off this edge. If I do, there won't be no Mirror's Edge. You know how you like that. Hey, wait up. I'm not good at this. Ah! What's going on there? Can you hold up? Damn it. May I take your order? Ah! Oh! Finally.